Hello everyone. Today we will see about how to install melbet in your Android phone and how to open an account. So first we are going to the browser. This browser we can type melbet APK download. Here we can see melbet APK download for Android or iOS free. So we click on it and here is the download option. And we click a download option and here is the download file. We download it and install it. If I already install it, so I cannot install it again. So now we are going to the melbet option. If we install it, after install it, here this type of option, so we click in registration option. So here we can see in one click option, by phone or full option. I click in one click option. Here we can see our country details, any type of country details here, all of the country, the currency, all of the country currency here, and the we select bonus type. Wow, why we can open an account for sports, casino or games, reject bonus, any type of. Then I select sport. The promo code is any type of promo code, and then I select confirm and then click right option. Here we can see our registration successfully. Here is the username and password. We can copy it or screenshot it. Then we click on next option. Here this is our account, in a melbet account. Here this is account. So we click on menu and see my account. Here is my account. Fill in personal details. If we are agree the full details in our account, then we can first name, surname, middle name, date of birth, region, city, residential document, series, etc. Is the personal profile. If we change a phone number or password, that this option in here. So we can make a bet. So we click on a sport, click on football, click on FIFA World Cup 2022, and here we can see win 1, draw, win 2, 1x, 1 2, 1 2. There are many other options. So click win 1 and then your amount, any type of amount. I have no money, so there is no way to select a bet. Then click on the bet option. You can easily bet in melbet. That's all. Thank you.